Best projector for classroom comparison. Overhead projectors and document cameras are essential tools for modern classrooms, enabling educators to present visual materials effectively and engage students in interactive lessons. With advancements in technology, these devices now offer features such as ultra-high-definition imaging, LED lighting, compact designs. List number. The Thuster 8PM document camera offers a strong combination of affordability and functionality, making it a versatile choice for educators. Equipped with an 8PM sensor and 2448p resolution, it delivers sharp images and videos suitable for classroom presentations. The foldable design and multi-joint support allow for flexible positioning, while the adjustable image reversal and brightness controls ensure adaptability to various teaching scenarios. Its plug-and-play compatibility with Windows, macOS, and Chrome OS makes it convenient for users across different platforms. In testing, the Thuster Camera excelled in capturing clear images even in low-light conditions. Thanks to the 3 levels of LED lighting, the autofocus function performed well, eliminating the need for manual adjustments during presentations. However, its macro focus range of 3.94 inches limits its ability to capture smaller objects in detail. While it is lightweight and portable, some users may find its build quality less robust compared to higher-end models. Overall, it is a reliable option for educators seeking a budget-friendly yet capable document camera. List number. The INS2 4K USB document camera is a mid-range option that stands out for its 13xp sensor and 4K Ultra HD resolution. It offers exceptional image clarity and dual-mode autofocus, making it ideal for capturing detailed visuals in art classes or presentations. The compact base design and multi-joint arm provide flexibility in positioning, allowing users to capture A3 size documents and objects effectively. Additional features like an anti-glare sheet, LED lighting, and 7-segment brightness control enhance its usability in diverse lighting conditions. During testing, the INS2 delivered impressive performance, capturing crisp images with accurate color reproduction. Its Documate software adds value by enabling digital zoom, annotation, and video recording, making it a versatile tool for interactive teaching. However, the camera's weight and slightly larger footprint may be less convenient for frequent portability. While its price is higher than entry-level models, the INS2 justifies the cost with superior image quality and advanced features that cater to professional use. List number. The Pakatu 8-megapixel USB document camera is a compact and affordable option designed for classroom use. With a 2448p resolution and autofocus capability, it provides clear visuals for presentations and demonstrations. The foldable design and multi-angle rotation make it easy to store and transport, while the 3 levels of brightness adjustment ensure adaptability in different lighting environments. However, it lacks advanced features like zoom and HDMI compatibility, which may limit its use in more demanding scenarios. In practice, the Pakatu camera performed well in standard classroom settings, delivering sharp images and consistent autofocus. Its ability to capture A3 and A4 size documents makes it suitable for most educational applications. However, the lack of plug-and-play functionality means users must manually configure the camera settings, which could be a drawback for less tech-savvy users. Despite these limitations, its affordable price and reliable performance make it a solid choice for budget-conscious educators. List number. The Kitchai document camera is the most budget-friendly option in this comparison, offering basic functionality at an attractive price point. With a maximum resolution of 2592 x 1944p and adjustable LED lighting, it is suitable for simple classroom applications such as distance learning and live demonstrations. Its lightweight design and hose structure enable easy positioning, while the plug-and-play compatibility ensures quick setup across Windows, macOS, and Chromebooks. While the Kitchai camera provides decent image quality for its price, it falls short in terms of advanced features like autofocus precision and macro capabilities. The LED lighting is effective in dim environments, but the overall build quality feels less durable compared to other models. As a basic tool for educators on a tight budget, it delivers satisfactory performance, but may not meet the needs of users requiring higher-end features or robust construction. List 9. The Apollo Horizon 2 overhead projector is a premium-grade device designed for professional classroom use. With a 2000 lumen output and double Fresnel lens, it ensures sharp and bright images across a 10 by 10 stage glass surface. Its built-in cooling system and high-low lamp controls enhance durability, while the lightweight design and carry grip handles make it portable despite its size. Additional features like a Kensington security slot and thermal shutoff switch add value for institutional use. In testing, the Horizon 2 delivered exceptional image clarity and consistent brightness, making it ideal for large classrooms and dynamic presentations. The ability to use transparency film adds versatility, though users must purchase the film separately. While its higher price may deter budget-conscious buyers, the Horizon 2 justifies the investment with superior performance and durability, making it the best choice for schools and institutions requiring a high-quality projector.